Cool. I'm going to show you how to crimp a downspout so it will fit into the other downspout. When you cut the end, so that you can get it to slide into the other downspout, you need to take some regular needle nose pliers, position it near the corner like this, and grab all the way towards the middle, squeeze, and then bend it. So I just bent it to the side like that. You take it off, and I've got a 90-degree angle right here. And you just do the same thing on the other side to try to get that to straighten out. '90 degrees, and it's sort of angled. And you just do that on each corner, and then it will slide in. You can get it to slide in probably up to around here. You might have to go back around and bend these sides down just a little bit, anything that sticks out, so you can get it to slide in, but that should do it.